Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add Google Analytics to your Replit AI website. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and make yourself a Google Analytics account, and then you want to grab the URL or the HTTPS for your Replit AI website. Now that you have both of the requirements, the next thing to do is to simply head over to the Google Analytics website right here, click on Start Measuring button, and basically you want to go ahead and create your account. Now in my case, I'm just going to create a random account right here to make things easier. And basically right after that, we then navigate through the data collection. You just want to simply select the web application right here, enter the website URL, and from there you then want to click on the create and continue. Right after you have successfully added Google Analytics to our Replit AI website. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.